Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy, gut-friendly, probiotic-rich broccoli salad recipe ideal for lunch or for dinner. So let's get started with the recipe. For the salad, what I have done is I have sliced the broccoli into small florets like this. This is one head of a medium-sized broccoli. I'm heating my steamer and I'm adding in the broccoli. Cover and allow it to steam cook for exactly 6 minutes. For the salad dressing, I'm using half cup of my thick homemade cashew curd. I have already shared 4 different vegan curd recipes. Please do check them out. Links will be updated below this video. Now, if you don't have any intolerance to dairy milk, you can use thick dairy milk curd instead. Squeeze in half a lemon, 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder or as needed. To make the salad dressing more healthy, I'm grating in 1 medium-sized amla. Amla is a good source of vitamin C. It helps to boost your immunity. Hence, I like to use them as much as possible. However, if you don't have fresh amla at hand, you can use about 1/4 to 1/3 teaspoon of amla powder instead. I'm grating in the amla. To make this gut-friendly and probiotic-rich, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon homemade sauerkraut. Adding sauerkraut to the dressing makes this probiotic-rich and gut-friendly. Sauerkraut is naturally fermented cabbage. I have already shared how to make sauerkraut at home. The links will be updated below this video. Now, to make this spicy, I'm adding in my homemade fermented jalapeños. I'm just adding in about 3 slices of the jalapeños. Now, jalapeños are relatively spicy, so adjust according to your spice level. Note that I'm also adding in some of the brine along with the jalapeños. The brine has a subtle sour, tangy, vinegar-like taste. Hence, you don't need to add in vinegar in the dressing. I'm adding in about a tablespoon of brine along with 3 slices of the fermented jalapeños. Again, I have already shared this video on how to ferment jalapeno chilies. Please do check it out. Links will be updated below this video. If you can tolerate the spice level, you can of course add in more brine. I am adding in 1 extra tablespoon of brine into the dressing. Half teaspoon sea salt or as needed. To thin out the salad dressing, I'm adding in a couple of tablespoons of plain water. Now, if you don't have pickled jalapenos or even pickled green chilies at home, you can use 1 medium-sized green chili finely chopped or half teaspoon of red chili flakes instead. I'm giving this all a good mix. At this stage, you can test and see if you need more spiciness. If you need more spiciness, you can either add in a tablespoon of the brine from the fermented jalapenos, or you can add in 1 or 2 slices of the jalapenos. And now my salad dressing is ready. So I'm going to keep this aside. It's 6 minutes now. Turn off the flame, open the lid. Now, if you would like warm broccoli salad, you can use this hot steaming broccoli. If you like cold broccoli salad, you can allow it to cool down completely and then use. I like a medium warm broccoli salad, especially when I'm planning to have this for dinner. So I'm going to allow it to cool down a little bit and then I'll transfer this to a serving bowl. I'm adding this slightly warmed steamed broccoli onto a serving plate. For an added crunch, protein and fiber, I'm adding in 2 to 3 tablespoons of moong dal flakes. This is green moong dal flakes wherein the moong dal has been soaked, sprouted and pressed between iron rollers. That is 3 tablespoons of green moong dal flakes. Now these days moong dal flakes are available online. You can source them online or you can source them from local organic farmers. 1 medium-sized finely chopped onion. And I'm drizzling in the gut-friendly and probiotic-rich salad dressing. Lastly, I'm placing in a large handful of radish microgreens. And my super healthy, gut-friendly, probiotic-rich broccoli salad recipe is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy salad recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.